Let's explore on how to turn off professional account on Instagram. Let's begin. Okay, so if you have an Instagram business account, you can change your Instagram account from business to personal at any time. But please take note, each time you switch back to a personal account, your insights on Instagram will be erased. Now, from here, to switch your Instagram business account back to a professional profile, the first thing that we need to do now, if you're still following, to switch your Instagram business account back to a personal profile, all you're gonna do is go to your profile and tap the three lines icon right here. Now tap settings and privacy. All right, or you can switch accounts. All right, switch account types. If you have that option to you, basically you have to get a business account and a personal account as well, so you would be able to switch both accounts at will. All right, now from there, if you are having problems switching your account from personal or professional to our personal accounts, vice versa, the thing that I can suggest is for you need to contact the Instagram support center and tell them your situation, that you are having problems turning off your professional account on your Instagram platform because you tried all the resources, but for some reason you won't be able to turn off your professional account. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.